Hold on, let me see.
I don't know if it's this one. I can't remember if it's this. That's it. Well, it is a game. Maybe a movie. No. Stroke Boy!
Get out of here.
This movie! Mommy! Oh my gosh! He must have read my mind. I didn't put this on the list.
No?
No!
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh! He added this onto it. Oh my gosh.
Alright, and alright, you know what that is. You can have a toy to play with. Let's see what might be a toy.
Daddy, we don't want to, not right now, we have that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that one. Wait,
That sounds like a toy.
maybe Lego. Oh, this is the exact same one I wanted. Hey, Dad, you don't like it? No, it's way too huge. I think this might be connected to that. It might not. Why not? Wait, I don't know. All I know is that Astro Boy.
So you can go play on Astro Boy.
Yeah.
Play with that toy until mommy comes.
Well, you have to build this first.
Yeah, so that's what I said. You build it and play with your toy.
I can't open it up. Sounds like a lot. Okay, let's see here. Pretty complicated. Don't you think, Daddy?
I don't know.